What does wet dreams mean in puberty? If you're wondering what wet dreams are and why they happen during puberty, you're not alone. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Wet dreams, also known as nocturnal emissions, are when someone ejaculates or experiences vaginal lubrication while they are sleeping. This can happen to anyone, but it's most common during puberty. So, why does this happen? During puberty, the body starts producing more hormones, especially testosterone in males. This hormone triggers the testicles to start making sperm, which is a key part of physical development that allows for reproduction. When these hormonal changes occur, the body can experience sexual arousal even during sleep. This arousal can lead to an orgasm and ejaculation, resulting in what is commonly known as a wet dream. For males, this means waking up to find semen on their clothing or bedding, which can sometimes be mistaken for urine. Wet dreams are not just limited to males. Females can also experience orgasms during sleep, though they do not typically ejaculate. These experiences are part of the body's normal sexual response cycle and are linked to the brain's activity during REM sleep, when dreams are most vivid. It's important to know that wet dreams are completely normal and not a sign of any health problem. They often start during puberty, which can begin anywhere between the ages of 8 and 14, and can continue into adulthood, although they tend to become less frequent as people get older. If you have a wet dream, it's nothing to worry about. You can simply clean up by removing any soiled clothing, washing the affected area with warm water and gentle soap, and changing into fresh clothes. Remember, wet dreams are a natural part of growing up and are not something to be embarrassed about. They are just one of the many changes your body goes through as it develops and matures.